Gather round, folks, I got a story to tell about a meeting in Toronto where the music did dwell. The A.E.S. they came together on that fateful day, talking about mastering and AI. A whole new way spoke of machines, ones that could learn and adapt, helping us shape the sound in ways we never had. The future of audio is right there in our hands, with every beat and melody the possibilities expand. May 28th was the day where the magic did occur. The Audio Engineering Society, they were ready to stir. A bluegrass band played as they explored this new frontier with fiddles and banjos. The sound was oh so